This short motivational story received 6 million views in a single year. While looking for channel automation ideas on YouTube, I came across a channel that offers short stories for inspiration, which inspired me to research its daily and yearly income, which you can see on your screen. I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using 100% free AI tools to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals and voiceover. With that, I created our channel and proceeded to figure out branding. I began by asking for 100 YouTube channel names from my intern chat, GPT. Although there were numerous choices, I went with this. This one seems to work for me as a channel name. For our profile photo, I made use of the open source AI picture generator, Stable Diffusion. Now look for the ideal image for the banner. For creating a banner, I simply use a profile picture in Canva. The branding is now done. The biggest challenge is starting to create a video. To start, we have to focus on a specific audience. I want to focus on people who want to remain motivated in 2023. I turned to ChatGPT and asked it for suggestions for short stories written in the Buddha-inspired style for a 2023 motivational character. Once the story is written, all you have to do is copy it and move on to the next step, creating the voice. There are a lot of tools on the internet. However, I visited 11 Labs, a no-cost program that creates sounds that resemble real people. I pasted the story that I copied from ChatGPT and selected the desired voice and hit download. Once you have downloaded the audio, go to v.io, which is a free tool, and click on video. Next, upload your audio file and search for the desired scene. Customize the video by selecting visuals and try to play with it to find the right scenes for the video. Once you have selected all your scenes, click on download.
Once upon a time, there was a person coming to a new village, relocating, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people nice?"
Once in a small village, there lived a young girl named Maya. She had big dreams and a relentless determination to achieve them. However, Maya faced constant challenges and skepticism from those around her who believed her dreams were impossible. Undeterred, Maya worked tirelessly, always reminding herself of her purpose.
All right, I think this is going to work. Now we need a thumbnail for this video. You'll need to go back to Stable Diffusion AI. Now create your image and then head over to Canva to make a thumbnail. Click on the YouTube thumbnail. From here, you need to upload your image. Now you can add some text to make it stand out. So take your time to create a thumbnail. Now just click on share and download a thumbnail from here. Now to upload the video, we need the title and description. And for this, we would take the help of a free AI tool named Gravity Write. We would go to the YouTube section and boom, everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail and publish the video. Congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next video.